how, when, why. Welcome to Shona. Today we are going to be teaching you how to use these three simple words in a sentence so that you can come up with better sentence and say better conversations with your loved ones. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into today's lesson. A, E, O, U, A, E, O, U. Learning how to use how, when, and why in Shona. How? How? As a question, how? Say. Say. How are you? Urisei. Urisei. How did it happen? Zvaitika sei. Zvaitika sei. How far is she or he? Avakure sei. Avakure sei. How far are they? This will be now plural. How far are they? Vavakure sei. Vavakure sei. When? When? As a question, when? Rini or nguai. In Shona now, when depicts two times, either denoted in days or in hours and minutes. So when it's days, months, yes, it's rini. When it's time, as in next hour or at 2 o'clock, it's nguvai. Nguvai. When is the bus coming? When is the bus coming? Bazi richauya nguvai. Bazi richauya nguvai. Or bazi richauya rini. Bazi richauya rini. When did you change? When did you change? Wakasanduka rini or wakachinja rini. It all means the same. Wakachinja is just a direct translation from change. As you can hear, it kind of sounds the same. It's change, chinja. Asi in Shona also we can say wakasanduka rini, wakachinja rini, or wakasanduka nguvai or wakachinja nguvai. It now depends with what the person refers to as in, is it days or hours. Why? Nay. And also say. Now why and how, they're tricky. Why can be used with these two variations, nay or say, but how it's only say. So it now goes back to how well you now understand Shona as you are learning. You'll get to understand, no, this is why, or no, this is how being used here, so that you can say a proper sentence. Why are you saying that? You can say nei uri kudaro. Nei uri kudaro. Or sei uri kudaro. Sei uri kudaro. Why is she here? Nei aripano. Is she here? Aripano. Nei aripano. Or sei aripano. sei ari pano. Why are they marching? Nei vari kufamba. Nei vari kufamba. Marching, it's kufamba. Nei vari kufamba. They, there, it's plural, so we put vari instead of ari that we have used on the previous slide. Sei vari kufamba. Thank you very much for joining us on this today's short lesson of how to use how, when, and why.